Well, we got a day with Manny today. What happened with your car today, Manny?
The starter broke down on me and left me stranded.
So what do you say the starter? Are you a mechanic or a mover, Manny?
Just assume it's the starter from the noise I heard.
Oh, okay. Well, let's find out. Let me open the hood. Let's see. It's an Infiniti. Okay.
Ready?
Try. Well, Manny. So I assume you should be keep your job. Oh. Okay, well, let's try. Do it again. Okay, well, I don't know, dude. You made me come all the way here just for.
Try it again. Hit it again.
Oh, okay, no. Do it again. Well, you had to block the wheels first or do the brake, otherwise it's gonna move.
That's why I'm only a mover.
You know what I mean? Can you hit it again? Okay, so first of all, Manny's gonna remove the negative wire from the battery, but he's using a channel lock instead, just a socket, which is better, But I guess
I'm just being punished right now.
But I guess he's just a mover, So I think that works.
Okay.
All right. So he removed the negative cable. Now I think the best way is by taking the wheel off. Don't you think it would be better?
We'll give him more space.
Yes, for you. Because you're a little overweight,
I'm a little dude. You know how much I weigh? 219 pounds, dude.
219?
Yeah, they weigh me, and
Okay, well.
¿Cuál es el número que usamos aquí?
I don't know. You need 716, like this one, something. Which one is that one? So we have all the tools, all the right equipment to do it, just like in our job,
Yep.
Make our, we do it all, Nice tools, Manny. Nice tools.
That's what you work hard for.
That's what we work hard for, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so the starter is right there. I'm gonna bring a light so we can see what it started at. All right. Manny, can you grab this new starter?
Yeah,
So,
that's what I'm grabbing now.
so right there. Okay. It's very easy, very simple, and very convenient. Let me see if we can. Oops. Right there is the starter. So first of all, you're gonna disconnect that little wire. When I disconnect that wire right there, I'm gonna put an arrow in the video so you can see. Right there. Okay. So this is it. So you can see that's the wire we're talking about. We have to disconnect this one. Just press this tab right here by pressing like this. Okay, and then this is where the power goes, the power wire or the fire wire right here. Okay, that's it. So we should have how many screws? Many?
Three screws.
How that many? If on the starter I see just only two.
Yeah, but there's another one that goes up here from what I saw on the phone.
No, he said he saw on the phone, but the one to hold the starter is just one and two. Okay, that's it.
Okay, I think yo creo que ese esta que está aquí, right?
Yeah, you had to. Those are 10 millimeters to take that top off. Yeah, 10 millimeters. That's the electric. Yeah, and the 10 millimeters is in there.
Where? In the box?
Yes, but
No tenemos una tensión de esa.
yeah, we have it here somewhere. We have
Este de 10 milímetros
right here.
largo o de los corticos.
You can do the grande.
¿Cuál es esta, verdad?
No, I think that's it. Yeah, the 10. Look at you, nice tools, Manny.
Because I was trying to hit it the other day, día ese que salí.
Got the good karma, you know.
Something like that.
All right. Just leave it there, dude.
¿Qué querías?
A little flathead. We push it down and see. All right, that's it. Now we're gonna remove this 12 millimeters. Okay, so we got this one off. Okay, right here. And this one right here. Let me see if we can really see it. So it's this one and two. Okay, that's it, guys. Let me see if we can really see it. Nice. There you go.
14, right?
14 millimeters. Right here, 1 and 2. So I just got a little bit of space. You gotta go up. Remember, make sure the engine is cool off. Okay, so now one at the top. Electric tools didn't work on this space right here. There you go, and a small ratchet. That's great. Better than the wrench.
Estaban diciendo que mañana iba a llover and shit.
Alright, we take it off right here. And the starter should be come right on. Push it to the front. Or okay. Now try with the new one. Alright.
No noise.
No noise. Like that. It's supposed to be go like this. Okay, it's right there. Just like that. Give me the screws now. Oh, right here. Dame la 12 ahora.
With the ratchet, you want the small ratchet or the big ratchet?
No, the small one, güey.
Aquí está, allá abajo, al lado tuyo, mira. Para cambiarla. Toma.
Ok, mate bien la quesita.
It is ready. Había uno ahí con $50. What was your $50 for me?
Hasta.
Más rápido, ¿verdad?
Do it again. Alright, dudes, are you ready for the move now?
Yes.
Ready for work?
Yep. Of course.